Hi folks, I'd like to talk today about the use of a tuner. What I do in my band situation is we will use a tuner somewhat like this. We'll run it through a sound system and give the students an opportunity to evaluate their pitches relative to the drone note. They are taught to listen for beats with the goal being a beatless sound. So that's one way you can utilize it. When they're actually just using the tuner, as you know, the whole idea is if it's straight up and down, that's the goal. They're in tune. To the right is sharp, to the left is flat. You've got to be careful, though, with trying to make the needle go straight up. That's adjusting. So you want to just sort of play your note, have your note fall where it may, then look, or have a neighbor actually say what your tendency is and go at it that way. Remember, I think one of the goals of tuning is to get your horn in a place where your adjustments are minimal. I'm going to say that again. The goal of tuning is to get your horn set up so the adjustments that you have to make on other notes are minimal. That myth of I get one note in tune, my horn's in tune, is a myth. Tuning tendencies. Every instrument is different. Flute, the upper register B's and C's are problematic. C sharp on the saxophones. The E flat, third space euphonium, bass clef, that's going to be a little sharp. Trumpets, the low D and the low C sharp, problematic. Got to get that ring finger on the left hand out. And a great way to tackle some of these problem areas is to actually make a sheet, make a tendency chart sheet where you will put down the note. You'll actually even show it in the register that it's in. Say what the problem is. It blows 20 cents sharp on my tuner. And most importantly, what's the remedy? How do you fix it? I have to extend my, my ring finger on my left hand on my trumpet to get that down into tune. So that's a great thing that any musician can do, is to get a tuner and just sit with it in 70 degrees and then just record a tuning chart so you will know what those problematic notes are and most importantly, how to fix them. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.